What's up guys, how is it going? Welcome to the food vlog of Ashish. We did had a 8 to 10 inches of snow yesterday and now it's time to go and clean the car. But before that we need to heat up my body. So त्यसको लागि चाहिँ I'll be cooking Alu Tama. त्यो खाएर जाने गाडी सफा गर्नु and फेरि गाडी सफा गरेर आएपछि again I'll have that one and तातो हुन्छ. So without wasting any time, let's get cooking. Bottomas alikiti poilo dal and chanako dal भिजाएको थिए and मजाले भएछ. अब यसलाई मजाले वाश गर्नुपर्छ. So let's wash it for a couple of times. And the ingredients that we'll be using is we'll be using 3 potatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 green chili, a small piece of ginger, half a size of onion. Let's start cutting it. Okay, I'm cutting the ginger. मजाले यसलाई मिन बनाउनु पर्छ. And garlic लाई चाहिँ I would like to dice it the same way I did to the ginger. Let's place it out here. So I have finished cutting the ginger, garlic and green chili. So अब चाहिँ I will start peeling the potatoes and then cutting it, and then I'll cut the onions. And I almost forgot 2 of the most important thing, that is tomatoes and डल्ले खोर्सानी. यो चाहिँ सुकाएको हो and यसलाई चाहिँ पानीमा भिजाएर यसलाई back to tender form मा ल्याएको and यसले चाहिँ body heat गर्छ as I have to go and clean my car. Snowले पुरेको छ. So let's cut the potatoes. I'll dice it this way. Let's cut the tomatoes. The cutting part is all done, and so let's start cooking. I'll be preparing this Alu Tama in the pressure cooker. यसलाई 3-4 सिटी लगाएपछि पाकिहाल्छ. अब एकैछिनमा पाक्छ. यसलाई कुकर हिट हुनु दिउँ. So अब यो कुकरमा चाहिँ पकाउनु पर्छ. So let's add some oil. तेल हिट भइसक्यो. So अलिकति 5 फोरन हाल्नु पर्छ. Let's add some green chili. यो लसुन. Then मजाले सटे होस्, एकछिन पाकोस्. यसलाई चाहिँ हल्का golden brown जस्तो हुनु दिनुपर्छ. डढ्नु चाहिँ दिनु हुँदैन. So let's add some onion. मजाले चलाइदिनु पर्छ. अब अनियन्सलाई मजाले पकाउनु पर्छ एकछिनमा. So प्याज मजाले भइसक्यो. अब time to add potatoes. यसलाई एकछिन भुटिदिउँ. And it's now time to add bottomas. के छ? पोइलो दाल, चनाको दाल. Let's add turmeric. And let's add some garam masala and some salt taste anusar. And I will be adding एउटा डल्ले खोर्सानी. And it's now time to add the tomatoes. And यसलाई चाहिँ मजाले चलाउनु पर्छ. And now it's time to add the final ingredient, that is bamboo shoot. लोभ नगरी bamboo shoot हाल्नुपर्छ. अनि यसको पानी पनि अलिकति हाल्नुपर्छ कि. मजाले चलाइदिउँ अब. Let's add some water. Soup को लागि एकपल्ट फेरि चलाइदिउँ. ल यसलाई कभर लगाइदिउँ. And यसलाई मजाले पाक्न दिनुपर्छ 4-5 whistle. So now it's time to wait for another maybe 10 minutes. And त्यसपछि चाहिँ मजाले आलु तावा खानुपर्छ and गाडी सफा गर्न जानुपर्छ. So it's now time to check it out. कस्तो भएछ? Let's see. आलु पाके कि पाकेन? पाकेछ and अब बटमस चेक गरौँ. बटमस पनि पाकेछ. It's now time to do the plating. So now it's time to try this Alu Tama. Let's see. अमिलो पिरो सबै आएछ. दामी भएछ. So if you guys wanna also make it, use the same method that I did it. So I will say this is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys all in the next vlog with a brand new episode. Until then, peace.